What is up, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about the fundamental properties of algebra, which is called associative property. So within associative property, we're going to be dealing with addition and multiplication today. And what we're going to realize is the way that we group a certain number of variables or numbers, it's still going to result in the same answer. So let us start with an easy example where over here we're talking about adding a plus b in brackets. So that means that we would do this first and then we would add c. On this side, this time we're adding a second, but instead we're going to be doing b plus c in the brackets first and then we're going to be adding the a. So let's see how this is going to play out. So if we do a plus b, right? A could be any number, B could be any number, and then finally we're going to be adding C on this side. But if we do on this side, we're going to be adding B plus C. B can be any number, and C could be any number. So at the end of the day, we're still going to be adding A plus B plus C. They both result in the same answer, regardless of the way that we group it. Let's try it with a real life example where we have 5 plus 3 and then we're going to add the 1. So we're going to do the 5 plus 3 first. But on this side, we're going to do the 3 plus 1 first. So this is the B value and this is our C value. We're going to do that first and then we're going to add the 5 and let's see how this plays out. So 5 plus 3 is going to result in 8 and then 8 plus 1. And then on this side, we're going to get 5 plus 3 plus 1. So we're going to do the brackets first. So we're going to get 4. So at the end, we're going to get 5 plus 4. So at the end of the day, they both result in 9. So what we can realize is that no matter the way we group it, we're still going to get the same answer. So the same thing for addition, but we're going to change the sign to multiplication. So this dot right here is the same thing as saying multiply like this. So let's try with multiplication. So at this point, we're multiplying a plus b first, and then we're going to multiply by c. But on the other side, we're going to be multiplying by b times c first, and then we're going to multiply by a. So let's see how this plays out. So we're going to do a times b, and then we're going to be multiplying by c. And on this side, we're going to get b times c times a. It's still going to give us the same result. A times b times c. So let's try this on an actual example. So let's see over here, we're multiplying by 4 times 3 first, which is in the brackets. And then we're going to multiply by 1. On this side, we're going to be multiplying by 3 times 1 first. And then we're going to multiply by 4. So let's try this out. We're going to get 12 on this side, 12 times 1. And on the other side, we're going to get 4 times 3 times 1. So 4 times 3 times 1 is 3. So 4 times 3. And at the end of the day, we can see that both sides equal 12. So associative property, doesn't matter how we group it within addition and multiplication, it's still going to give us the same answer. So at the end of the day, what we can finally conclude is that under the influence of associative property, always think that it will result in the same answer no matter how we group it. And I hope this video was helpful today. I'm definitely going to be creating more videos on algebra and definitely stay tuned for that.